Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to cover if you have a BMW X4 or Z4 guys with the 4-cylinder 2.0 gasoline engine guys. We're going to explain the timing marks. This is known as the N20. Okay, we're talking about N20 and N26 engine. N20 and N26, almost everything is identical, just the emission levels are a little bit different, so the procedure will apply to both of them. That same engine guys that has been used in Z4 and X4, many of you asked me, is actually used in BMW 5 Series as well. And we've done in the past before X4 repairs on timing chain replacement and all that stuff, and now we're doing on this one, and we decided to make the video so we can show you guys for any of you having that problem. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW here, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any of the special tools that you need for timing chain replacement, we'll have the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out. This is it here guys. This is a 2013 BMW 528i, but as I said, the same engine has been used in the X4 and Z4. Now, what are the timing marks when you install the chain and all that stuff? Now, you do not have guys timing marks on that BMW. There is absolutely nowhere timing marks or anything like that. So how we know how to install the timing chain? If you want to see the complete video from start to finish, it has two parts. One is removing, one is installation. We have the video on our main channel, how to repair guys. Check it out. This is the channel. Everything's there guys from start to finish. Just search on our channel how to do the timing chain replacement on BMW N20 or N26 and you'll see everything. But you're going to need guys many special tools for that procedure guys. Why? Simply because you cannot just do the timing chain replacement without any tools. You're going to need a special tool that is going to hold the camshafts so they don't move. You're going to need a special tool that is going to hold the front, the clutches here, the Vanos solenoid adjusters guys for the variable timing here as well. That special tool. You're going to need a TDC pin. This is known as top dead center pin. It's under the exhaust. We have the video on the channel how to find TDC on BMW X4 or Z4, and you will be able to see that guys where to put it because it's very limited room, and we made a video to show you how to do that. So you bring your engine to top dead center. You're going to guys put the pin in top dead center, and you're going to need that tool for the camshafts, this tool right here. Also guys, you're going to need two more tools, and I'm going to talk about those in a second. And check out right here now, this is the old timing chain guide coming in pieces because that's a weak spot on these cars. So let me go underneath and show you guys what else you need to do in order to have the timing marks aligned and all that. So now you're going to need that special tool if you're removing and replacing the timing chain on the oil pump. That bar right there, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. But even when you're installing just timing chain, you still need to have that part of the tool. This is the one guys, that the TDC, it's called alignment tool for the oil pump, and alignment tool for actually for the counterbalance shaft guys. This shaft is the one that has big weight, and it makes your engine run super smooth, so everything performs as it should. And when the engine is at TDC point, you're going to go ahead, remove that bolt, pull that plastic piece out, install the thing here. There is a hole that you can see when the mark is right here, for TDC, so you can check that thing out. It's there guys. You can see where the pin is. That's the TDC pin, right there. As you can see, it's already there. And here guys, let me find that tool. This is a special tool that you're going to hold the flywheel to get the crankshaft pulley bolt loose and tight. That special tool guys, we have that listed as well. If you want to see the whole video, it will be on the channel. Check it out guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.